Today, we are going to look at wirelessly casting to the panel from a device without needing the Unplug'd app installed. Now, when you open the Unplug'd app and select Enable Webcast, along the bottom, it will give a web address and a code for visitors to enter and share their screens wirelessly to the panel. This is, however, network specific. If your network does not allow for screen sharing or there is limited ability for this, you will want to check with your IT department, or if you are the IT department, make sure the proper ports are open. Open up the web browser directly on your device. You will enter the code that is shown on the panel. The panel will then display a passcode. The guest is able to either enter the passcode or allow for the screen to be shared. You select whether you would like your tab, a window, or the entire screen to be shared. Once you begin casting, you will have the ability to pause, to stop, or to mute your screen. When you are finished casting, simply disconnect and return back to the panel itself.